As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
So we're looking at two propane grills today, right? The Weber Q1200 and the Char-Broil Classic 3-burner. What are your initial thoughts?
Well, the Char-Broil is definitely bigger, at 51.2 inches wide compared to the Weber's 40.9. That's a decent amount of extra grilling space, 360 square inches versus 189.
True, but the Weber is more portable. It only weighs 30 pounds, while the Char-Broil is almost 50. Plus, the Weber's got those convenient fold-out side tables.
Yeah, portability is a big plus for the Weber, but for backyard grilling, the Char-Broil's extra cooking area is tempting, especially if you're cooking for more than a couple of people. And it's got 3 burners versus Weber's single one.
Good point. That means more even heat distribution, potentially. Though the Weber boasts porcelain enameled cast iron grates, which are great for heat retention. The Char-Broil has porcelain-coated wire grates.
Okay, so the Weber might have better grates. What about power?
The Char-Broil cranks out 30,000 BTUs across its 3 burners. The Weber's single burner delivers 8,500 BTUs. So definitely more raw power with the Char-Broil. But BTU isn't everything, it's about efficiency too.
Right, and the Weber has electronic ignition, which is super convenient. The Char-Broil uses a piezo igniter. Does the Weber need batteries?
Yep, 1 AAA. But hey, easy start is worth it. The Weber also has a built-in thermometer so you can monitor the temperature inside the grill.
That's a nice feature. I guess it comes down to what you value more, portability and convenience with the Weber, or more cooking space and power with the Char-Broil.
Exactly. And the price difference isn't huge. The Char-Broil is a bit cheaper at $215, while the Weber is $259.
So for tailgating or small patios, Weber wins. For larger gatherings and more serious grilling, the Char-Broil seems like a better bet.
Sounds about right. Plus, Weber is #1 bestseller and has almost 8,000 ratings, which is significantly higher than Char-Broil's 3,500. So, it's a safer bet in terms of reliability. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.